Let's go over the basics of recording your first podcast. In this video, we will cover recording your microphone of choice into a USB interface or external recorder. Use our clickable sections to navigate to the recording device you are using. A USB audio interface is a great option for recording a podcast. It also requires a computer and software to record the audio. In this tutorial, we will be using Adobe Audition as our recording software. If you do not have Audition, Audacity is a free software that's available and has a similar setup. See our link in the description to learn more about how to use Audacity. First, let's plug in our USB interface into a computer. Then, plug in the microphones you will be using. For this video, we'll be using two microphones. Depending on if your microphone needs phantom power, you can turn on the 48-volt power button. Now you can check if your microphones are working right on the interface by talking into them. Check mic 1, check mic 2. Now open Audition. Go to File, New, then select Multi-Track Session. Label it, and Save. A little tip here. Use the highest bit depth with float for best quality and editing performance. Check out our other video, How to Edit a Podcast, for more on effects and audio editing. Now let's link the microphones we plugged in to their own tracks to be recorded. Go to track 1, click on the input list, go to Mono, and select input 1 from your audio interface. Do the same for track 2, but this time select input 2. Now you need to enable both tracks to record. Click the R button on both tracks. You can now see the audio from your mics coming through on the individual track level indicators. Now test your mics to make sure they're turned up and not too loud. Use the line gain on the USB interface to make sure your loudest talking does not cross into the red on the track level indicator. During the recording process, it's a good idea to use headphones to monitor what's being recorded. By clicking the I button on each track, you can sample your mics. This helps with making sure all audio is being recorded correctly and you're actively monitoring for noise or audio problems. If possible, use headphones that cover your ears completely versus using earbuds for a more accurate monitoring experience. Now you can hit the record button at the bottom and begin your podcast. Then hit stop when you're done. From this point, you can apply effects to your audio track, export, and publish your podcast. Now, if your podcast is being recorded remotely and away from your computer, or you don't have a USB audio interface, you can use an external recorder. This is a popular and easy option. Plug in your microphones into the recorder. On the recorder, you can check your microphone levels right on the screen. If your mics are not showing any sound coming through them, they may need phantom power to run. Your recorder should have an option to supply 48 volts of phantom power to either input. If your audio levels are peaking or going above the -6 decibel mark, they may begin to distort. Adjust the line gain until the levels max out at or lower than -6 decibels. Now plug in some headphones to actively monitor the quality of your microphone audio. Now hit record and stop when you're done. You can then take the files from the SD card and pull them into your audio editing software of choice.